Right, today is Saturday. It's lunchtime anyway. I've been out here for about an hour. Never started videoing because definitely it sounds we have had a little bit of rain. But anyway, I started to clean up. Look, put all my tools in a drawer. I've been using those, so that's why they're out. Cup of tea, right? And do you people recognise that? It's called an Anderson plug, right? And the reason why it's here is because I have put a big massive fuse box there, right? At the moment there's only a 100 in there, but there will be a 500 in there soon when I get it. And that goes direct. When you jump a transit, you take it off that pole. Well, can you see how fiddly that is to try and get a pair of jump leads in there? So it is impossible. So what I've done is I've come off that terminal, down underneath to the fuse box, bolted the fuse box to the fuse box tray, come back off that, it'll go down, it goes down underneath there, and comes all the way through down past the radiator, and it comes through to there. And now is all I've got to do is just, it's plug and play now. If I can get it to go back, there you go. It's plug and play. So now, gotta watch it because those two are live now. Right. Pair of Crocs on that. I'll break my jump leads up, and I'll put two of these plugs on my jump leads. I'll put two of these plugs on the jump leads, because I can still use them as jump leads, and also be able to plug it in there. That was my little video shorty for this week. Now I just got to bloody clean up.